Welcome to Lesson 1. Thank you for purchasing the Cryptonary course, and congratulations for investing in not only yourself, but the future of money. Before anything, who am I, and why am I the one doing this? I am doing this because cryptocurrencies changed my life. I went from working 16-hour days in a corporate job, living an average life, with barely average money in my savings account, to stumbling across the market in 2013 at 3 a.m. during a night shift. The deeper I researched, the more I was led to stories of people making 6 to 7 figures, or suddenly seeing their investments explode 4,000%. I was hooked. I spent over 3 years studying the cryptocurrency market from this point, and over the ups and downs of this period, I turned my life savings of $10,000 into a substantial sum of money. Not quite $1 million, but 2.9 million. I'll even be showing you many of my accounts throughout the course, including transaction history, deposits, and withdrawals. Before the great times did come, I suffered every mistake a crypto investor faces, losing most of my life savings, trying to take old habits from the stock market and other market into cryptocurrencies, not realizing that cryptocurrencies require a whole new mindset and set of skills. In the past 9 months alone, I've helped family, friends, and over 250 people understand the crypto market and begin seeing profits. This course was made so you experience the same successful route as myself, without suffering the failures and losses I did to get here. So now that you know a little about Cryptonary, let's go to Lesson 2.